There were children with 70 to 80% body burns. There were children that had parts of their limbs missing. And there were children that didn't even make it into the emergency department. They were dead on arrival and they had missing heads and limbs. In the department, we were so overwhelmed with so little doctors and numbers that we saw in front of our eyes children and women bleeding out to death as we were unable to look after the hundreds of patients that we had.
The majority of cases that we're seeing are children and women. The hospitals are so incredibly strained. There are no ICU beds for patients. We here are operating the only CT scanner in the entire northern region of Gaza, and the machine is so strained that patients are waiting 2 to 3 hours for their imaging, and oftentimes are dying waiting for their imaging, will die on the table.